start streaming. So go and wait a moment, and then it should go and detect the stream. As you can see, excellent connection. And what you can do before you go and start streaming is you can go and change the title.
Man's enough confused.
Here, and you can choose the title, the description.
Am I doing things correctly?
Customization here, and a few other settings.
What's going on?
This is artlist.io.
Is this working?
A platform built
Is this working, chat?
high-quality creative assets.
If so, let's go. Is it working? How do I know if it's working or not? Oh, I just hope it is. Let's see if I can rob the go. It is working. How do I keep chat open? Add description. We are. Oh, it's not letting me do that. How does one do that? Oh, I'm all confused. I'm trying to change. I'm trying to give you guys a bit of analysis with my YouTube here. Struggling quite heavily as it is. Hello, people. How are we all doing? Right. Does anyone know how to work this? I'm trying to figure out how to stream, and it's going a little bit sideways. Right. Well, I can see obviously your chat, but I wanna do some tradey bits with you guys without it. Let me have a look. 2 secs, guys. 2 secs, guys. 2 secs, chat. Right, we'll go. So chat is there, so I can see you all talking, and then we'll put this higher, and maybe we'll bring this to the side like so. Oh, look at this, glorious, glorious news. Can you all see that? Okay. I'm a streamer. I'm streaming everywhere. Are you now funded with Funded Next? No, I'm not. They have messaged me though. Maybe I do. Maybe I do get funded with them. But I don't normally work with people that I don't have. Can you see this all? I'm kind of waffling a bit right now, but I'm quite gassed with this process. I'm gonna bring this up a little bit. This is quite cool. Oh, I could use another screen actually. This is sick. This is so cool. So you can fully see everything. See me and the screen. Just getting this 100% right. 100% correct on this one. That you can certainly see me and the screen. Let's go! Right, and then what we'll do is we'll TikTok live it. We'll let you know that this is... I'll let you know that this is not financial advice. Where can I put that? Can I write that somewhere on here? Probably not. Not financial advice. Hell to the yeah. I'm not looking to trade now, but I'll talk through some concepts. Obviously, this is more just setting up for when I can trade. Obviously, if I want to do a live session with you guys in the chat. Anyone new here, make sure you subscribe because I'm going to bring tons of value to you guys. Tons of free source on the YouTube coming up. I'm absolutely loving streaming at the moment. I might just become a full-time streamer. I basically am, to be fair, to a degree. What was I doing? TikTok live. That's the next thing. So, oh, this is so cool. This is so cool. Right. Let's get you up here. I can do this for TikTok as well, so I can stream on TikTok too. Which, oh, it's not working.
They didn't bring us here to change the past.
Wow, looky here. Okay, I can only go live like this. Oh, guys, this is so sick. I'm a full-time streamer now. Full-time streamer. Sorry, this is a bit boring so far. Hello, Travis. You good? Let's go, chat. Oh, shit. Actually, wait. Let me start again. Go live. So, not financial advice. Charts. Yes, we're doing it. We're doing it. We're doing the full live thing. Let's just put a blaring light in my eyes. That'll make me feel better, won't it? Indicator for the writing of woke effects. Let's go, chat. Oh, this is so cool. It's one of these. AG Space Effects watermark is the one. Hope that helps out. Any questions, trading related, prop firm related, chuck them to the chat. We are live on YouTube as well, actually streaming the charts for the first time ever. So quite a cool little thing we're doing at the moment. If you guys want to see what I'm looking at on the charts, gone. It's not much at the moment. We've got a bit of a New York reversal model to a degree. Nothing absolutely crazy. Nice price action playing out a little bit. Not really actually. Didn't close above this high, so you couldn't really take in anything there. London was dry as anything. Yeah, like the live, guys. We're live on YouTube as well with the charts. 5 minute order block can try long. If you're aggressively trading today, I'm probably going to leave it. You'd be looking at this swing, looking for a retracement into, I'm guessing you're looking either. Have we only got 4 viewers? Like the live! You could either look at, are you saying here? I wouldn't say there. If you're looking at the stream, maybe here. I'm not loving the look of it, to be honest with you. I wouldn't trade this personally. How are we all doing? This is not financial advice. This is Rob Dunno live. We've only got 4 viewers though. Let's work this up. How am I doing today, bro? I'm doing well. I'm doing very well. Quite a lovely 10-pip move at 1:15 p.m. Let's have a look at this. On GU? On GU, you say. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. 5 viewers. Come on. TikTok, this isn't you. There's more of you that rate me, surely. Oh, GU's not looking too bad. Change of character. Yeah, wow. Lovely position. New York reversal. Wow. Oh, I'm quite annoyed I missed this. Had sweep of London session and Asian session. Well, equals lows there. But London session's low. Taken out here. Did you catch the EU sales? I didn't today, my friend. So you caught London session lows here. Swept that liquidity. Had some 5-minute structure. Big impulsive change of character, which is what we like to see. Waited till the high was put in and then retest at the low from EQ. You could easily have got a fixed risk reward of 2-hour trades here for a New York mech reversal strat trade. If you're going to target opposing liquidity, you go there. 3.6R, lovely trade. Wow. Well done. Radical X Jaw, which is Travis. Good job, mate. How are you? Do you not like the market so far last week? No, not amazing. Ask any questions, trading related, anything you want me to answer as a person that has passed. I don't know if it's $3 or $4 million in total with funded capital. I think it's 4 million, just about. Did I receive a funded X account? Yeah, but we're giving it away in the Woke Effects Discord. So anyone part of Woke Effects, you're going to have a 25k account and 25k account giveaway. But I'm also going to be giving away a few more, I think, if we get. Well, it's not a thing. I think the likelihood is we'll be doing a bigger giveaway with Funded X in the community as well, which is quite cool. So those of you in Woke could be having quite a lovely month with quite a few big funded challenges being given away in there. Like the live. Let's get to at least 100,000 likes. Even if there's 10 of you in here, let's smash it up. Smash it up. Sounds a bit weird. Anyone? Yes, we've got 1 like. Anyone in the YouTube as well? Oh, this is looking really nice, by the way. Anyone that's G long. If you're in here, by the way, I appreciate the likes, Ryan. I'd head over to the YouTube live where I'm actually talking through the charts as well. Boom, up to 100 likes already. I feel like that's all Ryan. Appreciate that massively, man. What's your thoughts on GJ longs? Is Funded X a legit prop firm? For what I know, it looks pretty good. Every trader that I've seen getting funded with them have been getting payouts really quickly with them. I wouldn't even give away their accounts if I didn't think they were a good prop firm, to be honest. And obviously, like I said, I haven't affiliated with any. I haven't heard any horror shows with them yet, which is again rare. Appreciate the likes, Wajay. Trading in Red Bull, bro, your heart is gonna explode. It's actually not even real Red Bull. It's Kong Strong. I go to the missus, get me a Red Bull, please, from the shops. She goes to Lidl and gets me like 10 of these. Fine, I'll just be having that then. Bless her. She's trying to do her best. Come on, Kong from Lidl. Yeah, it's oh, what did you ask? Sorry, man. New York Open trades. Yeah, really nice position on GU, which I didn't catch, to be honest with you. But we're talking through now. I appreciate all the love from Kenya, man. Oh, it's looking like it's going to take out the overall target of Asian high or London high even. Yeah, GU, even though we had news this morning, it's looking like kind of actually nice for New York. I've missed out on a nice trade here by the looks of it. Basically, we had a London session sweep of liquidity in New York, and then we had a clean change of character, retracement into the EQ, and you could have traded with a fixed true risk reward for a MEC New York reversal, or you could have traded to an external high. Well, it's not really ERL. If you'd have to go a bit higher to go ERL, but it's basically IRL to ERL. If ERL being up here. But yeah, super nice stuff. New York won't do much. It's a bank holiday now. I thought it was yesterday. Was it bank holiday today as well? Just it's all about data, mate. Like I said, we've gone through with the mech on both mechs. Well, I'm actually doing backtesting as well. I'm tempted to do that live. If you guys want to see live backtesting at some point, then give me a shout. I'll be on here doing it. The market has been poo-poo lately. I feel like we keep trying to push on GU and EU, but now new week comes and shits. Yeah, horrible month so far. Guys, like the live. Let's get to 1,000 likes. I'm doing this. The charts are on. Oh, I've realised you can't actually really see the charts too well. This is what the position looks like. I'm like I said, not in the position. This is a beautiful trade though. If you manage to catch it, change of character would have been here. So after we close below these lows, or market stretch shift, whatever you call it. Nice imbalance as well. Whoever caught this, fair fucking play. And you would have executed on EQ, stops at the low, higher target. If you're trading ERL, then you're going to be targeting up here. So you potentially be looking at a 5R right now. If you're trading the Asian high, or sorry, London high in this case, then you'd be trading for a 3.7R. If you're trading fixed 2R, then you are literally at this high. So very, very nice. Prop firm live account, how it works with like slippage spread. It's very similar to the challenge. You've got to remember you're not on live accounts, so the spread and slippage is normally just put in by the prop firms. Obviously not financial advice. Do I use CRT at all? No, I don't think so. How do you not care so much about missing trades? I've missed 2 GP trades and I've been pissed. I've been doing it for 5 years, mate. I just it's just part of the game. Like, miss trades all the time. What can I do? You can do all sorts. Yeah, I think just missing trades, it's just FOMO. Like I said, this trade looks amazing, but I wasn't here to take the trade. So me taking a trade now out of emotion, it's just like, you're just asking to lose. Like, part of trading is preserving your capital. If you miss an opportunity, you miss an opportunity. There'll be plenty more throughout the year. Absolutely no need to try and rush a trade just because you've missed out on one trade. But yeah, I get your mindset. Like that's completely normal to feel that as a human. But yeah, no part of me right now is like, oh my god, I've missed this amazing trade. Let's jump in one, or I'm fuming that I've missed it. It's just a good trade. Fair play to anyone that caught it. Let's start the live. 1,000 likes. Maybe I'll start doing this with my camera. Do you want to see my new mic, guys? Got a new mic. What do you reckon of it? Do you reckon it's calm? What do you guys think? What's your average percentage per month? It kind of varies because a lot of my funded accounts, I'll just trade to like 1 to 2% gain, and then like not trade it anymore. So majority of my funded accounts, I'm like only trading for like 1 or 2% gain over the month. But then some funded accounts will be super aggressive with. So like if you look at one of one, I did like 5% and 10%. So more aggressive on like certain accounts, especially the ones that I don't think are going to last as long. So that'll be soon. I'm going to do, but generally on personal accounts, I target like generally on this personal account in particular that I'm trading for this year, it'll be about a 50% return over the year. So as you can probably figure out how much that is generally per month, it's circa 4% a month. Probably doesn't sound that sexy, but I'm not here to sound sexy. I'm here to tell the honest truth. Any more questions on the YouTube? Let's have a look at what you guys are saying. 2 minutes 50. What's this telling me? 45 viewers, 125 views. Guys, ask questions away. I'll be talking through. Obviously, this is someone who's passed multi 7 figures in funding, and done it in front of your eyes with $800,000 passed in 30 days, with $40,000 passed in front of your eyes in 30 days. Any questions on that series, on how I'm trading at the moment, how I deal with prop firms, how I deal with personal accounts. Ask them away right now. Do you have your funders all hooked up to trade? I don't at the moment. I don't at the moment, but Dan does, and it works really nicely for him. It's definitely something I'm considering. But generally, I quite like the freedom of like trading an account really aggressively, or trading let's say again, I have one trade, one account, I get a 1% gain on. I leave that account, I go to a different account to trade, and it gives me more opportunity to trade without risking all my capital in one position. If you get what I'm saying, or like I know you wouldn't be losing the account to one position, but do you get what I'm saying? Watching both, appreciate that massively, man. Liquidity seat, change your character in 5 minute time frame and entry on a 1 minute fair value gap. How does your setup look like? So this is obviously a sweep of liquidity, change your character, and then if you're looking at a 1 minute fair value gap, you'd probably be looking for this. So you wouldn't have got an entry on this. 5 minute you would have got an entry though. I think no, you wouldn't have. You would have missed that fair value gap as well, unless you were looking at this one. Actually, yeah, you could have done here, but it wouldn't have created this high. So no, you couldn't have, because your EQ would have been, if you look at EQ, your EQ would have been down here, which wouldn't have tapped you in. Do you get me? Do you get what? Oh shit, you can't see. Sorry, my bad. If you pulled this down here, your EQ wouldn't have tapped into this fair value gap. So it depends if you're trading with EQ or not. From all the people who you have mentored, what are some of the most common mistakes and issues unprofitable traders have? Overcomplicating trading and trying to trade more than is needed. So like trying to trade unnecessarily complicated because it sounds better, kind of over education, rather than focusing and honing in on a specific style of trading and like becoming an expert. So for me, I've always traded GU, for example. I know I'm looking at GU actually right now, but I've traded GU for like 5 years. I've traded Lone Session for 5 years, and I've traded pretty much the exact same concepts for 5 years. So it's like being really specific in one aspect makes you like the top 1% of that. Well, I don't know if I am the exact top 1%, but do you know what I mean? You're more of a specialist in that, and that's who you're competing with to a degree. What size personal? Oh, that's a personal question. Pardon the pun. I have multiple personal accounts, but this one's just like a light 5-figure one. It's mainly for data collection. Thanks a lot. You work with bias. We do, if you're trading a little bit discretionary. So when I talk about discretion, like we build it on a mech strat. So we don't want you to like just add discretion as soon as you start trading, because there's so much emotion into when you're executing trades. When you're not, you get emotional if you've missed a trade, all of that stuff. If you're more mechanical, you're not going to have that. You're not going to have that like emotional connection to other trades, or you're not going to feel like you've missed out. So that's why EQ is the equilibrium of a swing. So yeah, 50% retracement. Otherwise people would look at it like premium and discounted. So like if you sweat the highs, cause a change of character to the lows, you'd look to trade from the premium ideally downwards. In this case, we've swept the lows and change character to the highs, so we're looking to trade from the discounted or the equilibrium, or at least coming near to the discounted, if you get me. How long did it take you to get your first funded payout? 2 months, I think, something like that. 2 months before when I started trying trading with prop firms. Like the live, 1,000 likes, and I'll get all sorts of naked. There is also a quote that I'm happy to give at 1,000 likes. 1,000 likes and you get a crazy quote. I need to figure out what it was. I had 2. Let me get you're on my phone. Fuck, what was it? Do you use a specific indicator to map out your SMC areas? No. I just do it myself. Just do it myself. 1,000 likes and I'll do some disgusting things. Oh, why are you doing that? Why are you sharing the quote before it's said? I'm still gonna use that one. EU longs. What do I think? Don't hate. Don't despise. It hasn't come back into EQ, so again, I'll sit out today, but don't despise the idea. Definitely don't despise the idea. Definitely do not despise the idea at all. It completely depends on the month. Like I've not traded I've taken 2 trades this month, for example, and one of them's been a loss. So sometimes it's like, okay, 1% gain on all my accounts. Yeah, great. But obviously I trade them separately. So sometimes not much, sometimes quite a lot. It varies quite a lot. I've got a payout today that I requested, and yesterday, and they rejected it as well. So a lot of my props just like reject my payouts. It's a bit jarring, but it's always around. Oh my god, you guys want the you really want that quote, don't you? Luckily enough for you, I've been reminded it. Now this one's gonna hit hard, okay? So take a minute to think about it, but you've got a trade-off here. If you don't lock in, you're going to spend the rest of your life clocking in. Think about that. All right? Just take some time to just consider that. All right, guys? Any likes, much appreciated. Thank you. Did stop loss hit? No, we're not in a trade. Did you guys like that? I feel like no one liked that. Mic drop. Have that. Send that to your friends and family. Was that worth the likes? Let's go to 2K and I'll just do something really weird instead. Only love. Cool, you can see the sessions I'm looking at trading. These are my trading periods, so I don't often trade outside of these areas unless I'm trading discretionary. Guys, in here as well, if you want to look at me do the chart analysis, it's on YouTube. Obviously not financial advice at any point, but if you want to see the chart stuff, it's on. My payout got rejected which is weird because it didn't last time, even though I did the same thing. I didn't trade enough minimum trading days. I'm funny. Appreciate you, brother or girl. Oh, I can't lie. This Kong Strong is not going down nicely. Really not the best stuff. I said to my missus it was alright. It's just not. It's just disgusting. Yes, 2K likes. Let's go. 3K likes. Well, you can't just keep saying the next 1,000 likes. Well, we were doing it earlier and it was like 10K likes, but it feels like we're lacking liking power today. There's a few of you massively carrying it. Visions, I see you there. I see you in the live. You're a goat. You're a goat. Musty or Must. You're doing a lot for me here. BLK, love hearts, appreciate you all. Theo Crane's here. How you doing, buddy? You okay? Visions, I see you. Phil's here. Let's all say hello to Phil. Wisp, Rob, did you take a trade today? No trade for me today. This is a lovely position though on GU, matching a New York reversal criteria. Super nice, super for London session liquidity. I don't know if it mitigated anything high time frame wise, but just super nice price action. So yeah, sweep of London session liquidity, clean 5-minute change of character, nice fair value gap, clear distribution, or expansion, sorry, and then retracement into EQ nicely and going to the opposing side of London session liquidity, it looks like. So yeah, I appreciate Musty. Is it Musty or Must? How would you say it? Bash, how you doing, Jack? You okay? 3K likes, let's go. If we run this up to 10K, I'll literally dance naked everywhere. How was yesterday, considering it's dropping on GU? Yeah, nothing either. Like, oh, look at these ranges. This is how bad it's been. So, obviously, no trade here. No, you didn't get retracement into EQ, so no trade here. Let's look at the next trading period. Why is there a random black line there? Doesn't matter the color of it, but I don't know why it's there. If you look between 7 and 10, no trade here. We look for a sweep of liquidity, a change of carats on the 5-minute, and then execution EQ. You look to God, just burping everywhere. Appreciate all those likes. Oh, Anna Rose, bless you. All good, bro. Hope you well. Hope you well as well. Hope we're all having a good trading week in these dire trading conditions. I don't think I've had a single call with anyone that's no, but it's a great position, Leo. Fair play if you are. Really like it. I just haven't been on the charts. I've been on the phone, so it's all fucking day today. Really big news though. I'll tell you about it later in the live. But some really cool news later out. Tommy, that is someone called Tommy McClafferty in the live here, by the way. Currently in Thailand, trying to escape the police. I'm in Geelong. Look who's commenting. You can write this stuff. I hope he's still in there. Is he still in there? No, mate. Yeah, got higher time frame backing as well. Nice, man. I wish I wasn't. This is a great trade. Really nice trade, man. Like, you're going to take this out. You might even take the ERL out here. If you do. All sorts of actions. Night, buddy. Hello, Andrew. Oh, Benny's here. Cool, you love these lives, don't you? You love them, really. I'm on YouTube live now, mate, if you want to watch the charts. He's going to reply, nah, I'm good. Or give some sarky comment, because he's a disgusting man. Why don't I trade all my accounts at once? I probably should this month, to be honest, with the amount of movements we're getting. But normally I quite like knowing that, one, there's not a ton of pressure on every trade. So each trade I'm taking, I'm not like, oh shit, like every single account. Because you've got to remember, obviously I don't lose 10 trades in a row generally. But if I do have a losing streak of, let's say, even 4 trades in a row, that's 4 trades across all accounts. If I took a loss on one account, and that one account 4% down, it's really not that deep. And emotionally, I'm a lot more sane. So that's how. Can you be me, Bugatti, so I can be you, Andrew Tate? I can be your Bugatti if needs be, mate. Why don't you send me Chill Guy? You sound like one of these guys asking for a funded account, Ben. That's how you sound in my Snapchat DMs as well, you weirdo. All right, Rob, would I be able to reschedule the call for the end of the month? That's fine by me, if he's in here. Laughing my fucking ass off. Lumberfowl. And I feel like I'll be more comfortable towards the end of the month, yeah? All good, man. I don't know if he's in here. I'm in your Snap DMs, am I? Big time you are. Get out of there. Get out. Oh. Any new how do you connect accounts to the same trades? You can either use Rob, this hits TPs, I get one of the funded X's deal. No. we gotta make an event for it. Maybe I'll do like a cool thing. They said as well, like, we can do bigger giveaways for like, if we do like a cool, like, you know, we're doing FPL, for example. Like, I think they're happy to sponsor that. No, as long as you're not copy trading or you're like trading as a group, maybe they won't love this. But I don't think I'm not telling people to execute when I'm executing, for example. Miller's back. Oh, Ben's back again. Number 4 something you are, Ben, by the way. I don't know what that's for. This is my new mic cover. What's the template to making 10k a month from scratch? It would all start with getting a job, normally. It would all start with getting some sort of income coming in. So if you're making 2k a month, 1k a month from a job, then applying it to another skill set, so that'd be trading. Or you could learn how to do OFM. That's another option. You could learn how to edit. I've paid editors a lot in the past. So editing's a very low barrier to entry. I would say I could edit for someone and charge a little penny for it if I wanted to. But so I can't spend my last money on your course. No, I wouldn't advise that. And I wouldn't advise anything because I'm not a financial advisor. Let's get it to 5k likes. Let's go, chat. But generally, if you're going to do it for trading, it would probably have to be through prop firm accounts. I didn't do it for prop firm accounts initially. Me and Benny in the TikTok live had some insane spree on personal accounts. If you could only trade one market and it couldn't be GU, what would you trade for the coming 5 years? I mean, naturally I'm going to say EU, but I'd probably want to learn something like completely rogue and just document it. I could say gold. It would be EU, like, because it's more similar to GU, but yeah, something a little bit different. Maybe futures, yeah. How long do you think it's going to take me to pass my phase 1 risking only 0.3%? A long time. Like 4 months, 3 months. I don't know how good of a trader you are, but even if you are a very good trader, it's going to take you a little. You get that 5R today, lad. He's learnt. Are you a gift? Are you gifted, Bella? It says you're a gifter. Rob, what's next? Bulk or cut? That's when you know you're in bad shape, when someone doesn't know if you're bulking or cutting. How do I get consistent payouts without violating max drawdown? I mean, some accounts I have, but the consistent payouts, if you're going for 1% return each month, then like you've got 10% to lose, so or 5% to lose for max drawdown. The only way you're going to hit max drawdown is if you're either losing 10 trades in a row, or losing 4, then winning 1, then losing 8, then losing. Do you know what I mean? Like you'd have to lose quite a lot of trades in a row, or you're over risking, which on a funded account I wouldn't do. On a funded account, you want to be a lot more in awful shape. You don't know if I'm bulking or cutting. Now, it's realistically a cut because I'm about 85 kegs and I'm not that tall, which is a bit of a concern. So I used to be really skinny, and then one of my best mates, who's like a monster, he's like a big wrestler. He just bullied me into eating everything like he did, and then I just got really heavy, and now I'm kind of like there and can't be bothered to change it. So I'm a little bit chubs at the moment, but go mode, yeah, that's one of my mates there, and I am a bit moto at the moment. Do I feel old? Definitely feel older each day. Not really, no. I still feel quite young. Feel wiser, but not generally. Miller's actually in this recent YouTube video. I'm gonna post loads of stuff without his consent. I feel more comfortable in GU. Do I use a copy trade? I've asked this one quite a lot. No. What would be the edge for you of max drawdown on personal accounts? I generally don't take more than 1 trade a day. Max I normally take is 2, so max would normally be, I guess maybe 3% on a personal account, depending on what I'm doing with the personal account. So some personal accounts I'll be super aggressive, or like basically flipping it. And then other ones I'll be trading really, really sustainably. Obviously the main one I trade really, really sustainably, so with no more than like max, absolute max being 2% normally per position. Generally, like, and then obviously if I take 2 trades, then that'd be 3 or 4% overall. Whereabouts am I from? I'm from big fan, Rob, my inspo for real. Appreciate you, brother. This has become a Q&A on his lifestyle. No trading stuff on here. YouTube video release date, and it's out, mate. I've literally exposed you on YouTube. Have a look. What's my opinion on the Bollinger Bands methods? I don't really believe in indicators, like to really determine your trading. Did that help? I don't know if that's sarcastic. Did I answer that question, Yang? I don't know if I kind of stopped answering midway through. I've never played with Nasdaq now. I'm sure I'll play with it soon. Yo, Joe, we might get to 5k likes now. Now Joe's it. Loves it. You see the guys showing affiliate payouts only, the game's gone. Yeah, it's not ideal. That's why we did Road to a Million. Not affiliated to any prop firms as of yet. Not affiliated to any prop firms. All of the prop firms in that challenge were, other than Go actually, because they gave me a challenge to try them out, but they've probably been one of the worst ones that we've gone with. So bit of a weird one for them. They've just rejected me a payout yesterday, which is like, right. Yeah, it's not looking great at the moment, Gregory. Quite upset with the old crypto scene. Let's have a look. It's not the worst. It's just like, when is alt season? Is alt season going to be a thing this year? Is that going to be something that happens, perchance? Well, I think of funded next seemed decent. Where have you gone wrong, Sade XP? You traded EU and not GU. Okay, I'll go for that in a second. Bought in at 2.2. Thoughts on XRP? I think that's. Let me have a look. Where are you, XRP? Why is that just not showing a price? Oh, I hate it on these when they just show like this. I'm guessing that's good. Don't actually know the price at the moment. Only love. Do I trade crypto? Don't be good by good looking good. Look good by being good. Are you happy with that? Yeah. 10k likes and I'll put a new quote out. I'll put this unbelievable quote. You guys, you're going to be blown away by this quote. Let me think of it. I know the quote. I know the quote. 10k likes, guys. We're gonna have to double the like count. This is like actual source I'm dropping to you guys with this quote. You'll be for everyone in the YouTube. You should be on TikTok, like rushing over to this to like this live right now. It's a joke. Robbie, keep speaking. Keep talking to me. That's fucked. You need help, bro. Am I beefing with Sal Sanchez? No. Robbie, please, my brother. That is so rogue from you, bro. This guy called Ghost is having a not impossible or his proudest. Did you trade anything on USD this morning? No, nothing. Didn't get anything on GU or EU. There has been a trade New York session on GU, but I missed it. I was on a nice long call. Thanks, Ghost. Strange. Who are the best prop firms in your opinion? FTMO, the best in my eyes. Majority of the other ones, like, as long as they pay out on time, then good. If they're not rejecting payouts too much, I've seen, like, Fundadex have seen good. I just haven't gone with them yet. I'm gonna do a video reviewing them soon. 10k likes, and I'm doing the craziest quote you've ever seen in your life. Comments similar to these are being flagged, buddy. Whoever's commenting all the weird stuff, you're gonna be shut up, Miller. Can you refund me that money? Membership. Do you hate when your students leave woke effects? Not really. You've only had like 1 or 2. 10k likes for a quote is wild, Rob. It's some quote though. It's some. I'm 22. Your opinion on ACG? Kind of made in my opinion. Again, not financial advice. They do payouts. That's why I don't like hate them, but they just reject payouts or long gate payouts quite a lot of time. I didn't go to uni, no. Have I tried Falcon? No, they've offered me a deal, but I'll try them out. They're ridiculously cheap. That's the only thing. The only thing that I really like about them is they said there's a chance to meet Leon Edwards if I partner with them, which would be cool. How comes you didn't go to uni? Rich family? Not really. Middle class family, I'd say. Rob, tell me you passed your GCSEs. Yeah, I did A-levels as well, just chose not to go to uni. Rob, you're so handsome. Thanks, Ghost. Getting a little strange though now, buddy. Dylan, appreciate the likes. 10k and I'm getting all sorts out. Your opinion on ACG? Is ACG a top 3 firm? No, probably not in my opinion. Kind of. I don't know. Maybe not. I'm happy with Ghost. You're like Troy Bolton from High School Musical. Appreciate it, man. What times do you trade? 7 to 9 a.m. Rob, I'm telling your girl again about Ghost. I feel like it's obviously someone I know, but they've just not got their name on it, and they're just going to message me later. Do I like Trade and Nick? Haven't heard of him. You're right, Ghost, la. Got her face, so she's not going to be too happy. How are we doing? Is anyone in the YouTube not subscribed? Has they just come from the For You page or the home page? Just out of interest. Just out of interest here. Rob, when I'm drawing trend lines, if you hold shift, they'll be exactly horizontal. Yeah, I know. These are all exactly horizontal. Look. Boop, boop, boop. Good, great. I only figured that out relatively recently, to be honest with you. But your setup was there on GU on the London session. Have you tried support and resistance? Rob, are you English? You look a bit mixed as well. I am English, but I do have other bits in me. That sounded a little bit strange. How much would you say to secure and payouts before quitting your 9 to 5? 6 months worth of expenses. Ideally, that you've got liquid, and then obviously if you've got funding as well, so you've got another pause. How many people? 25 people. 10k likes, guys. This quote is fucking life changing. Let's get Ghost in here, please. Yeah, Ghost is kind of making me feel a little bit weird. A little bit strange, Mr. Ghost. There's 57 of you guys in the YouTube. Welcome in. Any questions are welcome. EU long. Oh yeah, sorry mate. I'll go for that now. EU longs instead of GU longs. Oh, the guy who said EU longs earlier. There you go, mate. I didn't hate it. It just didn't come back into EQ, but that's not bad. It's worked out nicely for you. Tons of liquidity up here. We'll go up here. Different story, but tons of liquidity there at least. Bro is not lying about being consistent. Hey Rob, please can you help with where I went? Where did you enter the EU long? Sorry, mate. I'm just trying to figure out. What, this morning? Because here, I mean, it's not looking like the end of the world right now. I mean, you didn't wait for a clean like change of character, so maybe something you can look at. As obviously you had this high that only got wicked past on the 5. Obviously, you need to be always thinking. You need to be looking at the last high that caused the last low. So we had this was actually up here, but let's just ignore this one. New low, new high. None of this created a new low, so this is a relevant high. New low. Then we wicked past this high, got a retracement, and then you got a continuation. Whereas on GU, you didn't wick past it. You got new low, new high, because this high then created a new low. Then you actually technically low, high, low. No, I'm considering this the most recent high, created a new low. Then this, it doesn't even matter if you read that one or this one. Created a clean change of character with imbalances. So we closed above this high, and then we retraced into the EQ here. So that's why I would have preferred GU, because EU didn't close until up here, and then we didn't get the retracement into EQ. So there was a lot more better execution criteria for GU, in my opinion. Does that make sense? Yeah, just the shift wasn't candle closure. That was the only thing. It's not the end of the world. Like, you can still definitely catch positions. Do I trade NASDAQ? I don't know. I just TP'd on EU. Congrats, bro. Why don't you block me then? I like the attention deep down. Watch it be Cal the Dragon. Is ICT a role model? No. Why don't you block me then? Who? Who's this guy? The Israel flag. Deep down, I'd love it, mate. Rob, what's your updates on 1 of 1? I just given up the account, mate. I just didn't trade it for 60 days, so that's an account loss for me. But it cost what, 500 quid, 600 quid, $30,000 paid out in 2 months. Not upset by that. Bye, Miller. See you at golf at some point. I secretly like you, Ghost, mate. I've got a thing for you. I've definitely got a thing for you, mate. There's still no quote. It's unfortunate. Sunday is. Are you going to go to the races with all the boys, with all the kittens? Let's swing sticks. So keen for it. Pretty awfully though. You guys ready to see? You have a good sense of humour. Cheers, love. Did I trade today? Kittens and horses. Kittens on top of horses. Would you start trading order flow? No, I don't trade order flow, I wouldn't say. How do I find my bias today? Bias is almost all high time frame based. But if you're trading mechanically, like we're talking about today, then you wouldn't even be looking at high time frame. You'd be staying on this lower time frame. But if you're looking higher time frame, I'm bullish on majors, so EU and GU bullish, DXY bearish. If you look like that, it's beautiful price action to go lower. Whether we go a little bit higher, I'm not sure into this fair value yet. Maybe we filled this one now. We've wicked higher. So generally, how I'd be looking is high of the week being in the start of the week, an expansion midweek, and then maybe a little retracement at the end of the week. Obviously, that doesn't happen every week. But if you look at DXY at the moment on the weekly, I love the look of coming lower. Impulsive move up, impulsive change of character down, consolidation, manipulation, distribution would be super nice. If you guys can all see that. So like I said, does that make sense to you guys? Do you know what I'm talking about when I say things? I imagine most of you guys know those concepts. What's your opinions on Euro USD? Ghost has followed me. I don't know if I like that. What do you think of Photon? I don't have too many thoughts on Photon. Isn't that a meme coin trading app? Got it, man. I'm glad. I have to go now. Been a pleasure, mate. As always, brother. Yeah, that's Travis going, isn't it? If I got the logo right. Appreciate you, man. Check GJ. I don't trade GJ at all, but I'll check it for you. I'll give it a little gander. See what we're saying. GJ. Oh, we're looking at Gluns and Jensen Holdings. I'm actually fucking class. You guys must find me so funny. Deadest banner of all time. It's pretty similar to DXY, actually. Kind of. Not really at all. But still, kind of. You've got a bit of a sell-off here. No way you don't know Photon. I'm guessing you mean Photon trading. I mean, Photon is always also a trading software as well. Yeah, Rob, you meet my man. How are you today? I'm good, brother. How are you? When I say order foot, I mean actually reading footprint and DOM charts. Yeah, that's why I said I don't trade it. Again, pretty similar to DXY. Really impulsive selling pressure. I don't like the look of it as much as DXY is just continuing, but if you had the same thing with a bit of a less accumulation, like DXY's accumulation was like from here to here, and then sweep up into a more POY and then get a sell-off. Hey, no, it's not. There's no stress, man. EU doesn't, like I said, a bad place either. It probably doesn't matter too much, but that was the main difference I saw between the two. It was more impulsive on GU. That's all. Fucking hell, that's disgusting. I'm good, man. I see you live on YouTube and handling 3 chats. Does seem so. 10k likes and I do things. How did I learn to trade? I spent some time in this amazing, wonderful business called WeTrade, and I initially learned. I also spent a lot of time before that trying to trade for myself. Learned some concepts there. Realized the concepts were okay, but the guy I didn't think could trade that well. Not financial advice, just my experience, and basically put together because he didn't believe in back testing or criterias or journaling, and he didn't know how to get funding particularly good well. So that's where I kind of changed that. And yeah, put that together and basically made that work from the concepts being taught. Yeah. I'm with you there, Joe. I'm with you there. Number 1 gifter. GU is flying. It is flying. Let's have a look. Oh, that's a line. That's a rogue line. That is a rogue line. GU's doing what it does. My head is literally about to burst. Geo is rude too. I'm guessing you're on WeTrade. Yeah, bro, I'm new here. When are you typical trading hours? I trade between 7 and 9 a.m. Correct. I feel bad. Yeah, it's not the best place, mate. I've been speaking to a lot of people actually from there recently. Thoughts on SNR? He's talking about support, or is it what is SNR? God knows what this man's talking about. How come you only trade 7 to 9 a.m? Because it's just what we've tested. It's easy. What right now this year I'm creating a book. And when I say a book, I don't mean like a physical book like this. I mean a trading book. So it'll be full of results just from mech trading solely. Investors don't love discretionary traders. It's a lot easier to get investment on mechanical trading because it's obviously a bit more consistent with your types of setups. So that is why support and resistance, you can make support and resistance work. You can make most strategies work. A lot of people are asking different opinions of different strategies. Majority of them can work. It's just having a set criteria and following it. We're almost at 10k likes, by the way. 10k likes and we get a crazy comment. Heart me. Thanks, Jaspito. Appreciate you, brother. You are the number 1 member on the team. Just know that. This profile looks silly, I know. Drop me a message on Instagram. It's Rob Dono or dons.fx. Or just book a call. www.workflex.com/book. Like I said, I spoke to quite a few people from WeTrade. Someone joined actually a week ago, and in that week we had about 15k worth of payouts from multiple people, and it's about 250k in funding. And I remember when I was in that company, there was only 6 other six-figure funded traders. There's about 850 people in there. And he was just like, what the fuck? It's like ridiculous. Night and day, the difference. What's my favorite anime? I don't know if this counts, but Pokemon. I loved Pokemon back in the day. You take any trades today? No, but GU has shown a very nice setup. Appreciate you, Deck. Hello, Danny's here as well. How you doing, man? We're getting to 10k and then we're doing a crazy quote. So anyone that helps to get to 10k, I'll do all sorts of things. Fluffy Penguin. I'm going to do like a normal streamer. Jaspido! No! Fluffy Penguin, let's go. Appreciate you, brother. I've never seen a payout certificate in the group. That is mental. I've not been in it for 2.5 years, so I thought there might be some results now, but that is crazy bad. That's really bad. Thoughts on Ahmed effects? He seems like a really nice guy. Humble kid for how well he's doing at his age. Time zone, please. I don't know. I'm just in UK time, GMT. Oh, my head. My head is really hurting. What advice would you give regarding psychology? A lot of your psychological problems are going to be solved by data collection. So if you're in a position where you've got full confidence in your strategy, it's black and white, you know exactly how to trade it, what you're looking for every day, then, for example, today, I'm not worried about missing out on a trade because it's out of my trading sessions. I'm not worried about, obviously, we didn't get a trade today, so no part of me during this period is like, oh my God, I need to get in a trade because it's not within my requirements. Same on EU. The psychology is that I trust my strategy, if you get what I'm saying. Thoughts on Daniel effects? Not like crazy thoughts. Yeah, we saw it, Seb. Yeah, nothing crazy. I mean, like, it's just quite a big affiliate. Like, seems to be the main thing. So I just don't personally just affiliate much. So, not too many opinions on that. Bro, your vid to get to your 800k in funding in a short space of time is amazing. I appreciate that, brother. I'll do another one soon. I'll definitely finish that challenge, by the way. In terms of like, I'll just redo it and get to a mil in a month. It might cost more though. Do I smoke? I don't smoke. No, not like actively at least. Is your teaching heavily mechanically based or discretionary? I'd say it's a mix. We initially teach you guys mechanical trading because you should be a mechanical trader at the start. Trying to add discretion right off the bat, straight off the bat, was is kind of causing problems before they started, because as a new trader, you're learning and trying to make so many decisions that you don't have experience on yet, and you don't have data on. You can't possibly have enough data on. So that's why we teach mechanical at first, to give you guys a base of profitability, one that you can trust, one that will build good psychology, discipline, patience, and then you can add discretion on top of that with higher time frames, and even open up whether you trade like continuations, New York, etc. But that'll obviously come a little bit later down the line once you are able to actually trade a model. Why the Asian range is lacking lately? Big time, Jaspito. Hugely. What's best, funded or personal? Personal's better, in my opinion. But funded's a better, funded's open up more opportunity for newer traders and people with less capital. I can probably to do with Trump, yeah. But so it's to do with Trump. It's just because, well, I don't know why, actually. I can't act like I know why. Dylan, I can't. It's because I got banned the other day. I don't want to. Or Dilopatros. It's because I got banned the other day on TikTok, and so that's why I'm just putting not financial advice everywhere. IC markets is what I use personally. FX influencer boxing match. Are you scrapping? I don't know. Probably get battered these days, mate. Back in the day, I would have done a job, but it'd actually give me something to train for. I need to get in shape. It's actually getting annoying. Do I journal? Not as much as I want to. I used to journal a lot more, and I used to use Woke for journaling a lot. But I haven't traded loads. I've taken 3 trades since the start of this year. So, and this is a great trade as well, by the way. Who's been in this? It's going to vary. On average, I'd say anything upwards of 3% a month is really good, Aiden. Who do you think I should fight or scrap, Toby? Do you feel less pressure on a personal? Yeah. It's just your own. Yeah, you don't have. The main thing that pisses me off with funding is that they make you trade it. like if there's not a good month to trade, like you're not allowed to just like not trade. You have to trade. Like I've lost, like I said, it's lost 200k fund with one of one because I didn't trade. Okay, should I just trade all for ones? Mamba effects. I don't think I'm quite big enough to get those kind of fights. Alex G, yeah, no, I don't think they have any idea. How much is the book? It's not a book, for fuck's sake. It's not an actual book. Pressure. What pressure? Pressure for tyres, mate. Do I take trades after 9 if I see a setup? Well, it's after 10. It's like the cut-off is 10, but I just say 9 because like 9:50, 9:40, they're still valid. Past 10, you're in a really awkward space where like that time frame gets manipulated a lot for pre-New York. Yeah, I don't think Alex G is gonna. If I called him out, it'd probably just be like, right, who's this guy then? Unless everyone in this group and everyone on TikTok was to post it everywhere and post every day for a year about me calling him out. I'm not calling him out, by the way. I've posted out of it. Yeah, of course, but you can learn to trade watching it online. Obviously, the main thing that we do is like said mentoring, like going through one-to-one with me, with Dan, with our group. Obviously, we've got a lot of people that are really high level in trading. Like I said, the place that I learned from is like there was like six-figure funded traders out of 850 people. We've got like 100 six-figure funded traders out of about 250 that have been on for longer than like a month. Actually, it's probably even less than that. There's about 300 people in there, but a lot of people on either beginners or the when the Discord was open, which I actually think is actually I might open up at some point. Thanks, bro, for the invite. Will you be live tomorrow or when you're bored? It's mainly when I'm bored or when I'm outside, of course. We're still not at 10k likes. Do we want this quote or not? Appreciate your wife liking the live. January is good for me though. January is good. I just didn't have any Wi-Fi. I just moved into my my new apartment, so I couldn't trade really. Well, at least comfortably. Let me push it. Hold up. Let's go, Jazz Beto. Let's get it to 10k and I'll do all sorts. My guy. My actual guy. You can't really like the live on YouTube, can you? Did Salafex learn from you? He did. Only lost 4 setups out of 15. Lovely. 15 is quite a lot of setups. That's a trade like almost every day. No. Yeah, 15 out of 22. So like more than every other day. Appreciate the likes, Jack. How many likes will you oil up? Not that many. I'm not expensive. Oh, my girlfriend's moved. She's probably just heard me talk about oiling up. What the fuck? Was she being shot or something? You alright? Huh? You okay? What? Just heard some banging. Wasn't me. Oh, okay. She's good, guys. She's good chat. Oh. Him and Sal fell out. No, we didn't fall out. Did a video with him the other day, not the other day, in Thailand. My first past funding down, and I'm down 8%. Any advice, bro? I don't know, man. It's a bit of a sticky position to be in. If you're really, really wanting to hold on to the account, then you're gonna have to obviously reduce risk a lot. Build yourself back up and just take it really slow. If you're happy to lose the account or you're kind of considering the account lost, then I would just trade with the standard risk you have been trading with. Wait for a really high quality position as well, and just try and take the highest quality position you can. The ideal scenario is that when you are funded, like I said, just going for a 1%, 2% payout, not trading anything ridiculously, not taking loads of positions. Remember, you've got 14 days for a payout, so your job when you're funded is to take the highest quality position in that 14 days. Everyone asking about Sal today, yeah, more so than usual at least. Big fan from Ethiopia. Appreciate you, brother. Bro, that indicative age search by Nico plays around timing when I convert. Yeah, I've got it at 7-1. If that helps, my friend. How do you feel when you take trades now compared to when you started to trade prop firms? Just comfortable. It's really comfortable. Don't feel any pressure really. For those of you that see me trade live, you'll see I'm pretty like, I don't really like care if it wins, if you get what I'm saying, because I'm just trading a strategy that I know works. So whether this one wins or the next one wins or the one after that, like they will play out. You talked about pressure earlier. Yeah, obviously pressure from when I was first getting funding was a lot higher than it is now. What's up with these new influencer-backed CFD firms? I'm not too sure, man. Do I only trade in funded accounts? No. But do you recommend it in the stage of minimum trading days after passing combined on top step? Just trade it as usual, like a personal account at that stage, but just do 0.5% risk on the valid trades. Do I create a business account or can I withdraw it? You can withdraw wherever you like. It's where you claim it, I believe. Again, not financial advice. What's your strat? I look at Asian session liquidity. Oh, we're at 10k. Oh my god. Why is he? Oh, it's gonna say it's gonna end. No. Right. Are we ready? Are we ready, chat? I've just realised I've not even been playing any songs. So weird of me. We'll get Adele on in the background to give this a bit more of a. Yeah, Dylan, indeed. Does your girl trade my... No. Christ, no. I'm waiting for a good moment to say it. What's my go-to strat? Sweep of Asian session liquidity, 5-minute change of character, 5-minute equilibrium tour. Oh shit, I missed a drop. My bad, chat. Wait, give me a sec. To take 1,000 steps, you have to take your first. Just think about that. Rob, please review you. Okay. I'm so sorry to anyone that liked the live there. Those were the quotes this morning on the work live. I don't know what you want me to review. This is the area that I said liquidity would sweep. From here, it can really do anything. The other target would be up here. Small man, you overdo I all day. Do me and Sal trade the same strat? I don't believe he trades mechanically. I think he trades how I taught it like 2 years ago. I haven't seen him trade in a long time. Let's get that bag. Let's go, Dylan. It was worth the wait for Dylan. Do I do live analysis? I do every day in WokeFX. I live trade in WokeFX. Together at the Skyfall. That's the name of the song, Skyfall. Did you like how I dropped the quote with the song as well? Is it free? No, FTP is not free. What's your thoughts on gold? I don't trade gold. Have a look at it. Extremely bullish, actually. That's what I've been seeing. Skyfall is where we're probably going to take out all-time highs throughout this week, I'd imagine. Which is crazy. Crazy. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. That is ridiculous, chat. Ridiculous. Anyone on TikTok, we're doing live on, how you doing, man? You okay? Hanan. Yeah, my friend. Elle singing, that's horrible. My singing's class. Everyone at work is awesome. You do trading, well, I do trading, yeah. I'm currently live on YouTube, and with the charts up as well, if you want to see that. Talking through a GU setup, that looks quite nice today. 11k likes, let's go. Why do we not get more viewers on this? I see some guys that are like less, I'm not being horrible, some guys that have less followers, they get like 150 views per girl on these. The thing is, because I'm not sharing the charts. Once I can, at the moment I can't because I got banned over there. It's Rob Donner. It's this name up here. Type that on YouTube, join this, and you'll see my GU. Well, I didn't take it, but a GU setup that we're looking at. James, welcome in. What profit is best? Aftermath. Oh, we're getting likes. Getting likes on the YouTube now. Big up. Do as much as TV will trade you. Yeah, or get FX Replay or Trade Zeller looks quite good as well. Yeah, you do. I like Toby's presence in this YouTube channel. Oh shit. Is this stream laggy at all for anyone, by the way? Oh, the music's too loud. Sorry, is that better? Sorry, it's better. I'm sorry. Sorry, guys. It's fine. So he was getting into his feelings as well. Right, what's the next tune? I'm taking a song suggestion here. I've been doing it for 5 years. Been doing it for 5 years. In both lives, I'm committed. Love that, bro. YouTube name is Rob Donner. It's this name up here. ROBDONOH. I'm waiting for New York close. I'm not trading right now, but I'm not waiting for anything. But yeah, well, no, I'm not waiting for that because I'm just not trading. Pink plus white. I can't even hear Rob speak. Leaks like me. Okay, I've got a few. I'm gonna go Toby's suggestion here because that sounds interesting. Pink Pony Club just came up. Pink plus white, Frank Ocean. Oh, this is nice. I didn't know. It's a great trade though. That's what we're talking about. If you're trading New York reversals, this is beautiful. Beautiful.
That's the way every day goes. Every time we've no control. If the sky is pink and white, if the ground is black and yellow.
55 viewers I believe right now, which is pretty good on YouTube to be fair. TikTok, what's going on? It's not even for, well yeah, kind of. It's just I've been on a call for the last 3 hours and I thought I'd go live. And it turns out it's really nice. Do we respect London High though? I doubt we do, but we might. Yeah, it did, didn't it? Beautiful stuff.
I'm someone to hold true. Keep it cool when it's still alive. Won't let you down when it's all ruined. Just the
Miss me
same way
next,
you
okay.
show me. You showed me love.
Oh, what a tune this is. Did you hear it in one of my recent songs? How many pairs in the watch list? EU, DXY, and GU. Yeah, trade DXY. Don's part-time DJ, big time. Can I lower the music? Ace, buddy. Does anyone else have a problem with the music being this loud? Because if you do, I apologise.
Cannonball off the porch side. All the kids trying off the roof.
Do I only go for 1 to 2s? No, I don't, but that's what we teach Mac-wise, and then you start with. And what we're going to book, obviously, yeah. I'd be trading this probably partials around. Is it bad, Danny? Is it alright? Do you reckon it's a good level of loudness? I need to edit a video. There's some rogue things in it. I am probably going to end this soon. I just wanted to see if I can share my screen and do it live at the same time. I'm going to do this for TikTok once. It needs to be like basically next month because it's on me. So once that can happen, I can share my screen on that as well. But I'm going to leave it for now, guys. Lovely to see you all as usual. Appreciate you all. And I'll see you later. I don't do shop. Right guys, YouTube, if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. I'm going to do this frequently. Talk through different trades, maybe even do the odd live trading session. Definitely do some market analysis, some forecasting and stuff, learning new concepts. All that different stuff I'll do with you guys on here, so make sure you are subscribed if you're not already. There's 52 people in here. But it was lovely to speak to you all today. And yeah, have a blessed day. See you later. Bye chat. How do I end it? How the fuck do I end this then? Cannot hear Rob. There's no music on currently, mate.